Didn't I tell you to just wait for me? Anyway, where is this guy? It's taking forever. I know, big bro. Guys, didn't I tell you to wait for me? But, nevertheless, how's it everyone? Let me introduce you to the brand new Vivo devices coming to the South African market. The Vivo V70 and its little brother, the V70 FE. Now, without further ado, let's dive into an unboxing. We haven't done one of those in a while. So, this video is sponsored by the Vivo V70 series. The Vivo V70 and the V70 FE. Two amazing devices just launched in South Africa, which are bringing AI and excellent photo and camera quality to your hands. Don't forget to check them out, linked in the description below, and pick yours up now. So, starting off with the V70, right? Now, for the V70, this is the entry-level device. So the one that I have is 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, black variant, right? Are we ready for it? So this one is co-engineered with Zeiss, powered by Origin OS, and obviously comes with AI built in. Right, so out the bat, what do we get? We get the V70 with it. So we could tear this open, or we could also just slide out the device. Wow, very squared up corners on the device, raised bezel, two cameras, interesting feel, very lovely matte. I think this is the black version, right? But it's a very lovely charcoal finish. It is a black, but it's not a dark black. It's like a charcoal type of light gray or dark gray type of finish. We have volume up, volume down, quite raised, clicky buttons. 12, like how we said, 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gig storage variant. So USB Type-C at the bottom. Now, besides the device, what else do we get? We get an included cover, right? So there's that. But I mean, truth be told, I would love to just show off this device color. Like, I mean, who wouldn't? But nevertheless, I'll put it in the case. There we go. And with it, we get the Vivo Flash Charge. This does 11 watts, 11 volts, 44 watts. Or does 11 volts, 90 watts. So this is a 90 watt charger included. And your A to Type-C cable and the SIM ejector tool. The Vivo V70 weighs roughly about 194 grams, has a glass front, aluminium alloy frame, and a glass back. It is IP68 and 69 dust tight and water resistant. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SM7750AB processor. It has 12 gigs of RAM, like how we said, and has a 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel periscope camera, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera with Zeiss optics. While the selfie camera is also a 50 megapixel wide with Zeiss optics as well. This device is powered by a 6500 milliamp hour battery that supports 90 watts wired charging. Now, moving on to its smaller brother, the V70 FE. So this is obviously a more budget version of the V70 series. This one coming with 8 gigs of RAM, still 512 gig storage variant. This one is a blue. That's cool. Oh, are you ready for it? Oh, so this device, same rounded curves, lovely, slightly less lovely matte appeal, buttons slightly less rounded, and if we look at the cameras, this is coming now with the straight camera setup rather than the block setup. So this still has dual cameras, 200 megapixel OIS camera. Like how we said, 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gig storage variant, and yeah, lovely appeal. The back is slightly, I think this is a plastic finish compared to the original, right? And here too, because we have this lovely blue case, we get a clear, lovely blue phone to give us a clear case to go with it. Reminds me of something. Can't 100% put my finger on it. This is an interesting device to be looking at. Same Vivo fast charge, 90 watt charger, 11 volts, 8.2 amps, 90 watts, and the Type-C cable. Alright. So looking at some specs, the Vivo V70 FE weighs roughly about 200 grams and has a glass front, plastic frame, and a plastic back, while being IP68 and 69 dust tight and water resistant. Has a 6.83 inch display. It is also running Android 16 with Origin OS 6, and it's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Turbo 4 nanometer processor. It comes with a 200 megapixel camera and an 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and has a 7000 milliamp hour battery charged by a 90 watt charger. Now, the Vivo V70 and the V70 FE are two absolutely amazing devices that are coming to the South African market. And the fact that we've gotten hands-on with these devices so early is absolutely amazing. And these are going to be excellent devices coming to the country. So it's an absolute opportunity to be unboxing these, and make sure you stay tuned on our socials as well as on our YouTube channel to see full review of both of these devices and their capabilities.